The 2 gig GC2 security panel is trusted by millions. Now, meet the new and improved 2 gig GC3. Enjoy the security, control, and automation that fits your lifestyle with enhanced features, personalization, and voice integration. And with optional scenes like Good Morning, you can have smooth and hands-free home control. The beautiful GC3 offers easy-to-use one-touch arming, ensuring your home is secure and energy efficient while you're away, all with a simple touch of a button. With timely smartphone alerts, you can be in the know while on the go. And the GC3's unique smart areas allow you to unlock specific locations while keeping the rest of the home secure. The integrated 2 gig personal help button gives peace of mind, alerting you when medical emergencies arise. The GC3 is more than just smart. Its geofencing will trigger intuitive scenes, like coming home. The system disarms, lights turn on, and thermostats adjust. When your hands are full, use your smart speaker, like Alexa, to control scenes or devices, like closing the garage door. With easy-to-replace cell module, the GC3 is more than just future-ready. It's a new type of security and control. The GC3, from Nortec Security and Control.